TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yedi
yebeda nyankopon ase wo ne hwe sopa ode abo yema enenso yasanso abehiem e Kumawu TV we update yede bra de bia since nana partial lockdown yede abremo yemamu hu ne yekoso e wo wiase ne yekoso e wo Kumase ene ne mpatamu ene ne yekoso e wo miamia COVID-19 ho nsemsem akwa akosi sei de na eba na de hin na ekọ wana ne ho to no na hwan so na enya bie san nsemsem we nyina no na ye de bra live e wo Kumawu TV ye de ba wia na abadwafo nso atenase na ya bobo ho na ya ka ho asem na won so a wotifie ye ka kona no nsem na ye ka nyina no won so betimi de odwe nkyere afa text messenger na say text line that screen so no what they are doing ebeba every pemu no so no na ya bie ya homatrofo na tom na won so what they are doing edi aba se na ye no da no pa cho freunia na onua so freunia na munyina mo metwa nhia TV no ho na ye nhwe nyema ekoso ewo ye man mu samre we die TV station bia anywhere all COVID-19 was a Kumawu TV and I have to your so say Sabre will be a swan yet the information sir a coach called Bremine a bebro am a one so one near a coso ewo babia Ushebia Midi at the Samuel Kwabana Dakum aka Sam Dakusuna Midi Jumadi Chairman Ghana and anopay a free anopana banano na yen cases abano na a free enra eba nejina hwa aye 566 but anyumre ye yenya ntie se ebi asan beka ho amano akodru 636 ebejafo betnase na yedi ho enkomo yepa ene information minister ene communication minister ene panyumfo bebre ade information bebre ade ba abontene amoye press briefing ene mu hu nsemsem ene ade eno so ewa ha yebeka ho asem ewa ha ena afei so de bia na yekwa abontene na yekohwe ne asisi wo Chrome Central Market ne mefan se Dr. Mensa ho ene ada market ne ade bremo eno so ye de bremo live ewa ha ama nkro ene regions a yare ni bi akoho omo a sebe omo ho ato omo ene ne keka ho nyina no ye de bebro ye nim sana se nyane ntie se so fa
No, Makwa Eba Collique Medicals Limited. They will come and say airport roundabout, Kwanya Kobo Kromo, Ultra Police Junction and Hanago. Collique Medicals, and as a hospital, they will come and say Crodiemu. What I see a business here, but the fire and Sasso Abwa in Kofodo or how Nipedium can Yarawa diseases. Ye share your ability to say arthritis, and no pemoni and cassim, Sasabro is here, Ubia and some of I was a shady few, there were dislocation of any of the bones or joints. What the Bakalika, Ibepuao, Amawato. Make us say, oh, hypertension, and now when you're diabetes, and now when you're kidney problem, or nice at but modern brand not only ever 20 years, now you will immerse some quite a year, Juma, and yet no one so you will infidel about law on one. And they check it, the Peduano, your laboratory sector, and they share the Peduano, the Moja, Muya, dear air cost, and Sunny a true account. Sebi, Aposia will fear your formal school, Aposia, dear. If you move with tech, if you move with China, and I can't want to ma, ye was it, the part would be of a buy and channel, and rather the fire and sasso, Eddie Apoto, Amawon. 80 Unia Ocean, open baby aqua, opa, Resabia be aqua, to Tuanamobra, Collique Medicals Limited. You will massy airport runabout, Kwana Kobu, Kuna, say, I'm to aqua sono, with my friend telephone numbers now, more affiliation. Nasa and what be now, how be a show so to me cabra, never fire so up wow.
Okay, Edim Fidin here, Juman to Toda, na Yanya Hitches Kakranti Mufa and Chayan. Now, Medican Emma update Ecoso, Ewo, Yema, Yemo, Medican can say, Enra, na your 566 cases. Eba Bepimanano Penina, na numre. And the Yanan say a cock a hurry a cock 636 636. I just say a cock the Nimwa and Rana information be Baba Bontress 1,000 and over be and no penny form young who say and Yano cre. But the end of Creno and not the dear amount will come out TV so live. I will Ahojo Atenga Junction. Yewo in your cases are tested cases so far no na a year 37,954 cases are and I said you testy woman na osha emu 17 and I say no Yashua was almost told cry. The most 17 and almost told because of being what on that means that when you are really be and now you're testing no way you're positive and now you're quarantine, your man in row, your share no, and now 2 weeks time, your son got tested. Your son tested 2 weeks time no, now you're negative, and your son quarantine woman. And now, a cycle testing bill, which is 1 month, another 2 weeks. I become and pa essential say a negative. And tisa nipa 17 a day. Nankopon aya dom ama omo ato womo. Ye nipa 66 bi wo ha. Omo nso eye negative. Omo ebe positive. Omo be negative say. Ama ya sign hwe womo. Ahwe another 2 weeks aka ho. Eno nso ba Sangrofo no so oman nsan nya bia na je say 66 enso ebe ba abeka 17 no ho aye nkrofo a omo ho ato wo mo ebo sa COVID-19. That means Ghana ye adwuma ye health centers no ye na adwuma ye ye government ene na badwafo omo so ye omo adwuma ye ama omo a omo recover no doso omo ko omo nim sa yawo ensemsem bebra abajafo tenasia yebedi eho enkomo yepa anenti se o hwe na wama wadwene abaha wo so wo ho kwan se number na eda screen so obefa na test line ana WhatsApp line ofa na one yen ache wadwene efa nia ekoso no say opese yenko total lockdown because eno na nkrofo bi a start a company for esan say enka yen president Nanado e de yeko total lockdown 2 weeks kaba now obi anim say yenyan cases say sa cases no bi meka ho bio but aye partial na e region we na we fa car ho no dodge no osi for no osi no the yare na e another region na e ama say regions no over 10 regions ena omokuta sa yare epi ye hwe cases aba e wa ha te say try na tretre ekonanim but then abedwafo betena say na yabobo ho na wonso wa ho ne medical ka say medin e de Samuel Kwabena Dako mede dwumade ho chiame abedwafo atena say me won akwa aba na afia ko video na ba na yaba beto aso DJ Lofty
Sam
le mpom de say
adom mpaboni ahwi
ahon fedu ade bia ho ye femo
Sam onim say Nyankopon sira wa na mama ho ye fe tinyamnya sira mitimi ho guso ye fe
yene ye wonwi die sa lockdown betwam no na enyina ye rastas
Sam na ko kan say no
ama what change you afen
mama sesa no bibia say no say blessing na kura no me kwa koto me make sure say wo de na kwam kama zana matimi ayusu yina ye boy mo ban se ne be ya yare kudi ewu coronavirus abai letimi atwe mo free
all right honorable bibia boko de
Akufo Addo bibia boko
na bibia kama
oh nyame adom ewie wo hwese de apomudin me gina me na so dia na chese nyame ayade
for me test kits down makamde share o mo aso dra de se
on se me buy me ko form e check me yi me pressure ne bibia e kama say ja yi kodwumba sei na de pia e ko out ba e sanitizer ne ya niaman kakra de enfe ne agro cause when see yakoni pem na ba
sanity
apomden wo hopa
okay apomden wo hopa 0543596070 0543596070 mo anra mo text message buyer yentimi ankan be say ne ebetimi akan ma fabrantem na yentimi enkan enfam emma ene yeko market sayidin dey twa mfonyin kakra dey na si na afi nko video no mra
say endra say dey kan say na endra enim say endra ye holiday no enti na nipa anhye dan kokrom kese but ene so ye kofa krom so just for no bomb homoden na so krom atadin like so udu barrier bia na say dey endra ye duru ho say dey no mo ye the same thing na no mo ye on bisa ba bia okọ ana say and that the end crowd the mu ayere sen endra de and it's very good almost sensan cars be bree car bi wa timu say first na police for ejina obden wen no watwam but and then omu gina ho a omu bisa wo kwen one guy bia na ejina o timu say mpanifo ni because na no use say bia MP4 cars ni we yehu ayehu odu no bisa say wo kwen o so wo konfa noche that time na o bantima oko konfa noche no si o oni problem then oko e konfa noche o no si oko show no si debi on manenko na dan for back oh debi e ho no omo no si okay so we adwuma wo ha ma me hwe wa ID card neko e simple as ABC show me your ID card and I'll let you go sana soja ni ne kache
but otimi nya ID card
oni bi
okay
so what I say enti no ode ne car no odam no e ba betwia fa soja ni no so but say no so mama and with your cars almost sign ye no and it's very good obi won kosh okoyehwe obi okofa ne girl kra so I just
okofa ne girl okoyehwe
okoyehwe and dem ne ma say shedem no kofa ga koye na girl no say okofa no say bi wo nya ya le na akote yiri ye different say o yiri dia oni ni ofie
na say girlfriends won nati
there be oh girlfriend be nya nipa 95%
and mo kele amon for kono dey
be o say yale na ba eni kwan say wo kofa ko fiefo oge ya wo kofa ni si wonya bi si wonya bi uni so ati ase nti wo kofa na wo kofa be ye de obeye bi o ko odi yale ko odi ajaw ya ye ti fi ona de aka ne best asrae na so se obi an hye dem enti no mana soldiers for ne bono any police for no ne fire service for no mo ye adwuma pa ese ye bo mo abaso but still na omo san hye on se de bia betina ha ye ka de omo ye omo hyem de na omo umiem ti omo nyere omo
okay omo nyere omo DJ Lofty on video bi na number obi chesi nkrofo se o chesi oba bi a o de me ka ko share obi dem later no say na omo ehwe omo ya quarantine won na chesi ababa wa na obi agina hye ne dem o gina hye ne dem nyina no o ka che ne se me de o hye ha se bibi se be koso o se no problem because oba no me yare won so dem se wanya COVID-19 ni ya chi na hye ya quarantine no wa fa ho no odwane na wo kwabrane wa chi no akwahye dem te ne omo ye press briefing no na one man ekase wasre amanfo se afei na okope girl afei na ebia wo hu obi obontene na woni gine ho na o feel se girl we dia enka obepe na ba na no ye pause kakra o de ne yadu
sam ye mema me metu mi hu oba ne ho ofe de tu sisi wa ne mpokua gina so a me hu na se no ho ofa
na treo se oba ho efe
sam da bi
me si wona ne mpokua gina ho a
me ka
ene na ma wo hu se oba ho
ye ne sa na me ka no
enti wo ne to na wo ne mpokua o ho ne efe
sam asema me kan wa ntie
oh
me say me ti wei se me hu oba na no ho ye fe
na wo hu ne to
na me hwe ne mpokua ane ne to man ka se ne to no ni ho a no ho ye fe ti me statement ni me say me ti wei se me hu oba ne ho ofe owo mpokua kama na tu sisi a me ye bema me hu o manage ho but bre we nya bra ese se me dis hanye ma na chidi kopo ba because eye dan ya sam sa yare we na ye hu no yare no ebetwam enka ho enti sa bre we a eye bre mu odin ya Ghana wiase afana nyina nya Ghana mpo wiase afana nyina ene obi ne yire kura dadan mu a omutwe tape measure twe no atwe na we da ha social distancing
basika sam na
obi ne yire no sam enti ade na wuntimi nya botre na unya akoma na onfanye sa otwen we sa bre ya iwo mu na wontwen na o prepare ho na sa video ya ekohwe yi sam na wa hu so bi dim ni kan krofo bi pamme na so mo ye wan
as a good Samaritan
sam
say oh ejemio obenyimio obenyimio
enti good Samaritan na kire say esese okokofo oba no na wo bo ni pa no ne ko se odam na wo koye ne ne wo pe because wo bo na mana kwa da bi se wo bo obi a sam enye se wo nya benefit bi fi ni pa no nchen ansa na wa bo ano eni nhire bi ani mu ano a wo de bo ni pa no
okay
sam what you say enti mesre se ebre we mema wo yo ba mesre kan na twon bema mesre boxer sauce no hwe no na ne emu hinhan eso no ebe hawo a pe ne ebe title na nka wa de ne moa ebe ya tikire ball na ho sabire ya wo mu die
for how long
na sam yam fa na sa boso me baako
ubetim
boso sam na obi na
menye sam
no wale o
sam
etima musao
ono anya wari amaware se wo ka sa maware ntia anya sa wari amaware obi na yire ti dem enso sa de we ba e kura make say sam omunye hwe
and they are wrong
you know protect you
there be now
some me sorry feel
the fact say see
that the oba no nya aduane ma
anya aduane a onye ma
there be some oyire de oni let fia
etu kwa ho quarantine
ma pie me ko fie ni asasa me ya o se metimi quarantine me ho se be ya se me ko nya yare ni bi wa bonten me fam ra no de some o ma me gasa ti oba no so kodom won so godi ga o godi ga no so abafie ba bi okoto ade no ensesa ede ma no ne ade nyina no
sitini ese yen fire sanitizer
nante me say me de
mo fa nante
me de enya se me fa na me de
yeah educate public
Some I don't know make us say. Yeah, education, but me say.
Me person who say, "Wo a wako krum, waba, wonim say obi a like o meeting crofo. Wo kofi a dey na say oye."
Some me dware eyi matade a ewo me hu nyina de gu eye bin mu a ade chi a ebi kura that very day no kwa no wo say wash na ye dry.
Why na be wash?
Oh, oba na be wash.
Na nya ne nsa ne na o de
so o de samina ana anya samina na ye de eye sa quarantine ye de
what the best thing is say okodru fi a o roro wo na ba ye o wo ye sa ne mane nyina de kogu baabi
good
ansa na wo mo la wako washroom akodware
some no na make am say
but yes ansa na wo mo obi kura so mo
some no na make
na we dware
every way na me say me oba no to say that dey be twem eya me dey no
sa dey me pese mo ni say awarefo ese omo de omo kame omo ho e wo sa situation we mu
same situation we mu dey say wo ye ware ni na do ho kame okunu ana do ho kame oyira e perfect obi abete wase
why abete wase
some obi abete wase
why na ete wase
oba no kwa abete wase be ma no so bete wase because of situation I want
mu lost ticket there I don't know ira kon
dem hwa de enye me ne me ire na so but dem hwa me bi to say some say see I say me sorry and na me ne me ire nyina hye dem ayempie enko ba bia that is different but this is the case masora tona kam
tio
abaduma enye me no personal car e kura me matena kam abaduma me ba ye maso nyema ba ko mienu miensem who knows me nim say e ha kura me betena ye e bi kura
you're right
ya really be wa
you're right
what na make na
but so coffee
me ma decide say some obi a won decision me me ye ma decide say for now no am timi pia bonti ma me ye so kodwom e kodi dwaba fie ne de social distancing ne de ye ye kiso so ye bi so ye
e won paba
yes what ya say me
paba ko so
some
empa ba ko so
eye ntiase o
empa ba ko so eye
ntiase
ba ko so that's it
oh
eye o killer
na ade empa no eye student mattress
tio
me na
we de
oh some
ebi wo ho a yem ben wo dem kura o
some
so wo hwe wo mo quarantine wo na o
eni na ye sa de won kan de ne nka ye nante kura o
of course
ye nko ba bia because no kan
kan ye se men ko ba bia
good ena me kire say me de me dia tu me ho so say me twe me ho me ho
onso ne mu
for now
onso yire mu
me twe me ho afi no for now
ko ba me dia wo chimpunu wura
me dia no oh baby ona say me chimpunu na me wura mu a me sanitizer once am wura dem ne de once me clean me sa kama because we some so do mu na me wura dem
okay Mr. Agent
sanitizer
at this crucial time yes say ono we yire wo ho a obekọ no ho ana say onko no
we ensi won kwan kra say ni kwan say okọ yire ho
but some yen hwa di bo
ma say
kwan me say me mum
ompe
me dia ma decide say
me na decide ye no yire ti wase
what am I say
and the best thing is say mum yenu no montem ebia obi a won room obi a won ne baby out
that's it
for 2 weeks
some
won't mean ka say oh yes I dey we na still na oni oba no no aduane
oni obi oba no kra na tifie na a full house obi an tifie hobi na say wo yare ni bia na oba ni bi na wo de beye oba no a wo de beye no because only na na tifie ba ko
enti no no ko say o ka say
but that me kire wo say
en ka say yare ni nti na wonye
me de
baby a we
decide say yare we nti sa
e won pass
me ko won pass
ana no ni na ti ben ba ko dampa ba ko so
e ka say wrong e me decision me timi decide say
okay
me ni oba na ti dem ba me nko no ho
ma mentie
ba me say Eugene ti as you say me nka say e wrong man kan sa but e me decision say
e be busa ahwefo
good
e be busa ahwefo say e yes say sa mre we ya so bia distance no ho wo no yire ene o ma atifie mo fie ho na mo wona no mo mfa like what the mo be kam no ho se me ka sa mo ti ase empa so agro asem na meken mo honso no mo be distance mo ho ana ye pese ye home adwuntu de o text message e be fa line na that screen so no ye bie phone line so tuma meje wadwenche zaije
area se won one thing I loved intimacy. I was say or no net no can. Hwɛ saa yare we uni ni panitifi. Yɛmfa sɛ chimben ho wone wo yire ne omba ana wo ho. Yɛse ma umpie. Ebia wo pia kɔ krom akɔtɔ ade aba. Yɛ the measures ato wo sɛ upia yusu max ne yusu sanitizer. Na ohronsa ufre adwuma ba anase wo bafia ro ho gu adem fa gu endru time and nipa oba ne bekwa kosi ana wa bekwa kosi udi saa ne ama we nyina so wawie wa betena se ebia oba betena na so wo so do nsa so mu mu hwe tali moni age na ekodru dem a oba ne ba ho a se yale ni ntino mani ntwam no anase wo se me decide say yale ntime ho meanwhile so oni kwala ni di agro oni onu so di agro ana yemfa ye ho hwe ade bi wo ho a obeye na ekofa problem dia blow sesi a wo ti ha wo obeye bi a wo waka ontimi ntwe wa no wo fom entra nipa bebre wa na ye fom yire no waka ontimi fo wa no ntwitwi fom ube nwa ne se wo wa ba adwuma ube nwa na kwaku meje nkota de emreme no de kwaku abehye wo no wa sepe no hwe was so 2 weeks tio sam obi mame o kasa butwa mame kasa entino say na nado de kwa 3 months it means that 3 months ni nyina on kwa on kan so what I say entino menka say what decide say this yare no 3 months no wo feelings na o kan na wadwene oba no
no but eno to o kan dey am so no nya adwene asa yare we mfa feeling
there be oba no so se woni ni bedi agro anase woni nkola di agro woni oba ne dampa ba ko so mo sole bom
sometimes no
edidi bom
you can be o ha metena ase ejina baabi a ono okọ ana okokokoko so that ejuma ye
eni eni kwa so okofi okra so okokwala ntan no e wo baabi
no see another thing
eni kwa so
ba do so won kwanta ba oduru fie a
eno nye right
oba woro no ho
ahohoro nsa pepa nsa ye bibia na wasoso nkola ni omo di agro na nti okofie na ne baba no obepam
so one ne yere aka kwa de waka te ne
omen omo
omen
se fine
sanity
se ebia wo susu se wo yiri wobi ana se wo susu se wo wobi na ompese obenya empa na moda so bredo na mubie like mu ye bibia bom
we akwa te say
o ti ase enti no
omo say omo ti ase ma mesi isolated center no omo chrome bibia ni
na yenda minyane ti ase even though na enye se omo kwa akosi o omo si school the dormitory bi wo ho omo say omo de ye eno na omo say omo nti ase
ye ba ho ye de na ye ba ho
na yale ni twema se do school for no ba school na omo de besrasra mpa na omo yende
okay
enti omo so adwe no
sanity we or say oh mama Africa we have lost our destiny. MPP NDC will not help Ghana until we have national policy. I think say also one funny thing and come home no. I say please Ayuba from Tafo. We give thanks to our president Akufo Addo for the lockdown to avoid spreading of these bad diseases. We tell Nana to give total lockdown because it's still increasing. Kumawu TV, may Allah bless you. Good luck. All right. Good work done. Okay. I think so. And also, Edinedi Abesine Akko. Okay, but you send now the Udin account. We say, please, I'm David from Aswanse. Please tell Moses I miss him. Okay, please give. Oh, okay. Anyway, I say I can check Moses said Aswanse. I want na ote. Nti Aswanse for say for my feel pa. We say so. I say hello, good evening, Mr. Sam Eric from Libya. Love your show and keep the good work about your questions that is not true. Wow, about your question that is not true. Okay, I'm here to find out whether it's true or not. Okay, I said, can I distance myself from my wife? And okay, I feel a matter was here. and my lovely kids. It's not possible. And about sex, I rest my case. Why? May I want to hear me? I said, say, to me, any more a fumble like also memu, also you know, dear. Sex is also part of touching. And as I say, Binum crowd the stars are a year back. So we are men facing them. Quite true. How the year would you know? So how the one so and no one can assembly and show. Okay, we will say hi. I want to tell the man that what he's saying is totally wrong. Which man? Cause COVID-19 can't bring distance in marriage. That means only for better, for worse. What could you say there? I can for better, for worse. Who be blue house?
COVID-19 to me, and
then baby. And now I go for
okay, anyone of me. Oh, me say. Send your monkey. Let's say, me so many of baby as shower here. Anka ye ba be ware na COVID-19 nti na oba ti baby a me dey me feelings ni nti me dey me ko for ba e bi na wo kan feelings asem say no dey there be o ware no mo be ware no no chese o ne nkoda
understand
o ware no no chese o ne nkoda
Moses obi ni obi so shower here
but o ware no
all the crowd because of COVID-19 so say me
so na shower here me ba o na shower here na say lockdown ba ye wọ́n ní ṣe dẹ́mu á ní lọ́kọ̀ mu àmọ́ ṣe ọ́ mú mi ẹnu mọ́ ṣe ọ́
sam
tie mi
Philip chen Philip
ó tie mi o nípa no wọ outskirt ọwọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀bi a ọbẹ̀ afa ẹ̀sọ́ nípa ẹ̀ma bẹ́ẹ̀ dúró nkyẹn dẹ̀ ma ne ma.
ọbẹ̀ dẹ̀ nípa ní wúnyà nwari nù ntí ẹni wúnyà nwari nù ọ̀nà ẹ̀kọ́ dáa yẹ dẹ̀.
báwo ni wọ́n kura náà sẹ́ wọ́n bẹ ṣe ọ́ dẹ́mu at that time ní díẹ̀ mẹ́rin lockdown. Okay, we are saying I'm Ebenezer from Putuja. God bless you from your good work. The problem of testing negative and positive is not here in Ghana alone. It has been happening elsewhere. The problem with the citizens, they are not serious. I don't think if it is due to illiteracy. Okay, and also no. Sa topic we me pese e be kwa ba assign abeka ho asem but then ye kokoko market ne baby a na ta ko no kohwe se ne a hositie ye kohwe sa videos ne mra ye ba na afi ya hwe ada videos na afi sa topic we no menim se obi ya ne je ho ye be kwa ba abeto aso
we'll be covered the Akufo TV. So as usual, the name is still Queen AJ Hipsy, and I above PM our Dr. Mensa, and you ever do Dr. Mensa, and you who say, and I buy and any penny, and him say a holiday in how many per and shed any answer. But then so you buy and you who sampa Dr. Mensa market for the lockdown measures and an other down quick for the A Mampany, Edugu Aquamuma and dear. Dr. Mensa had your mood just year pa or mood so amana if you bedroom the social distance no a year Juma year and a day 16 of the lockdown. Young Courtney markets now can say Omudi and Sama and other down Kokufado Edigu Aquanas. Yaguso ya Bantima market, send a Debianke Nimno, Cabedru and Canipa Buchenku. Ewa haye pa se ne di kaka nipa enhye de nia na hwe machi anso so ati musa abambofo no mo bo adwuma yie pa ewa ha omo ye adwuma yie pa ye ka se abambofo ebo adwuma omo bo adwuma yie ampa because aha ye hu se obi entimi enwura ha abrakwa wonkuta ID anase wonye obi a obeye bibi pote wa ha pa de ye ma okwan e ma wonwura dwam ho anase bantima mpatem ho akrampo o ba ha na wombeye bibi papa bi a ye ma okwan e ma womba ya biem ewo Kumasi race course na ne to say breye na and e be race course ye hu say na enra ye holiday na ha sai je no sa na na so ha te nipa sheda any race course asa na nke ye ka race course part de enu na nka nipa bodom pem egu aye pa ba na ye be pie ha ne hu say measures no omo de ni nyina e ye adwuma ye pa o race course ha enti e hwe se e benya nipa de bi ne o ma twetwe nkomo 1 or 2 bia ma me mpache mo akwa baba kuma oti Mejoso. Udini. Me ba che friend me da pa. Ma Mary ba cho ton de wa. Ba che me ton cabbage. Na ma Mary je ko se. Oh, we ja ko ye. They say lockdown ya na na do dan kwa bufalo asama ye no the lockdown ne ba ye no e how be abamo so na say e ma mo problem oh because so my problem ya my problem dem na ye nyina yes ne say e ka de no e betimi atete entem say na e pe no nti nka ya de say nka enipa na ye chiche mu bi e chiche mu bi so ho say de ye de bi kogu wase ho mama mo akwa baba kuma oti atombo kodi
nyame adom na aso e
nyame adom mami mbisa yakoko dwa akese ni nyina mu asia ne aba be pie ha wo ye ohima oda edwawe mu so ano ne be bisa nsemfo abi ye ba ye hu se card esensen amanfo ko mu na maye dwa kese ese kuma so record de ni mu se mo de aha na so ye pa maye nhihye bi egu akwan mu amode sa cards ne ebe show ana
acho ensa bra ye betina fie na amapanti ka se betina fie ne mpene phone na ya agene se ye betina fie nipa e wa ha dos to say ye card bia we ba na ade chia no ya ba ti ansa ye be radio mu anu kra na obi akuta card ti ebra no pa ye gina anu mu ho oba na ebusa card ni kire ya mo apa abia chi so ba be san ebusa ni mpene fo wa nyina na grade be bo be 1 na 2 na na be gina gate di shey man oba so ani e che o se nsuesi ho wo nsa se be ya yale no yenye bi ti ye na do ade a yale na aba na ye yan hyehyɛ no e bi bia gu akwan ke me so ma ye bucket e wo ye nsa gum minister ba ko so blade bi che se eniema a wo ye no dwom ha ma ye di ti wo so mo dwene o mo maame e no papa ho bi bia ko so kama ka ye ma o si ehia bia so o mo de di akọ
nyeme wo se mo hia bi e de mo dia bra na say mo card ne di esusa enti na nsen mo ko mo
sanity
ti na so bi be radio man na say e bi nsen ni ko ma na no nche so woni bi na mo mo esu oh okay mami bi sasa se we ye hwe do mo anka social distance ne de ye adwuma yie wa ha pa na mo mo beto ade wo mo no mo problem bia na
beto de anopa no kwa na se nipa na edo so ye ma nipa bi a 30 edi ka wuram ebe di jani wi a omo pia na another 30 so ede asa be wuram so omo ni ye ni problem pia
omo ma mo problem bia na ahima afo no mo nyina mo dodo ye sen
beto ye
20 ma kuma ko 20 obia woni position
obia anti aba sa ohima bia na de card 50 amano na kwa cha amano eti
mami mbisa wo jina bia ne sen e wo ahima afo ni
e ba cha ahima afo ni na na ahima e de ma to o ma no abi bia be sia ni mo na ko ma ko ba
ye nyane tie se cars ne so baaye no na ahima afo ni bi e de bo ni bi keka ho na bi tonton bi ka ho wo de no e ba ha sa no wonya sa problem ni bi
ba cho different means
okay
so the 1000 kra to so kra na wo sa ahima e je kra be mo atena fie kakara
me mekama akwanya na chese watu edwemu afọ ma na fo ene afutu sem bia wo a obeka kire omu nyina omo wa he
ba cho butu fa mbe mo mo se e po mo cho yale na aba e yale e ye no kra e hu ti obia hwa na kwa so ye ka ba fa so ba hohoro nsa ye ne ye ma nyina e sa wo ba na wo nya ne na wo de kofia wo na obusuafo du na eti se na ado ehunu se ne na no ne nuamo yale si aba amachire kwa ye mfa so ye ntena fie ye ma ye mam so ntena fie ese me nuamo na ne se obi afo ose enye wo yo na yale na aba nuamo se eno ntena se ye mo ye mo pa
mami ebeda wasi fi so jebe na na ebuche
Mama bibiara akwa babiem e de abakoma wuti bi so ya da so aye o master response ya bepiem e wo bodefo edweso na ye bepiem wo ha no ya unse social distance e ye adwuma ye wo ha pa nipa no o matete o muntem ye pa ye wura so uko wani matemu se e kwan amuda ho ye pa na chese response ha de se adwuma di a nana adodan kwa Akufo Addo e de egu akwan ni o mu di su ye pa item radio mo ne hwese ye benye obi ene na twetwe ko mami ma kwa abakoma wuti
graduation
akombo kode
dami adom na nso
na mami bisa e de na afon no wodem na
oh me to meko
okay na konkwa na afon
e ba jwa nyeza
okay mami bisa card here by me we say would ye green na na green konkwa na wa konya sombajo
na na shisha amaye ebi bande ni ma bande nyame ya adom akira me ma cha na obi nso aba
so je nyame adom nipa na oba na o de card be na beba
ono nso ewo
Ono so card we it's momo de na card ba ko pe
Me ba try.
Oh okay. Oh okay. Mama bisa card ni ya to ma mo sen.
Ya nye ya 1 cedi kura.
O de ma mo free.
Free si amfanya adu. Oh, kan hwe ma. Ada wo ma na che wa ada wo ma.
Okay. Ya better what you so je be na na to train ko.
Okay.
Mama mpacho dini ejuma odini he.
Me ma cha me de na na fie me ye moko herman.
Okay. Me ko himai. Na mama bisa sa assembly. Enhyehyɛ ya mu de egu akwam sɛ ɔmo betimi abadwom abeton wade obi abetimi mo hyehyɛ san hyehyɛ monya ɛhaw bi wo mu ana
Ipa cho ye hyehyɛ de yenya wo haw bia wewo bibia so de dana koy
obi adi ne mra
obi adi ne mra so sɛ de sɛ ne fata madaroma
okay na yenya ne tie sɛ mo de card bi abegyeje amanfo 10 cedi 20 cedi 15 cedi no kra bi sa wo
Ipa cho ntisa ye de mankora ne free ya ne obi esi
Wanji obies. Okay, efutu sembe na de bema emekofo omoto meko wa hanyina efa yare abayi.
Ipa cho futu sama ya de ma de nkora wo moto meko wa hanyina ne sɛ ye sere nkora ne sɛ obia tete ne ntam madaroma obia tete ne ntam no obia so ho kro ne nsa na ɔmfa ayi ye hyɛmi bi hyɛ nano na daroma ye sere wo mu ne etu nkora ne nyina afo.
Mame na so abanam
Yesu ye nam dwaye mu a ye hye ye nkora no sɛ enya ɔhaw ani amane bia wo dwayi madaroma sɛ de etie no
Na me beda ti piso je na ne etche.
ba che
Mama mo akwa baba ko ti biso. Apombo ko. Na mama o ton den wa he.
ba sha meto mo
Okay, mako. Mama o card wa ha de.
ba sha me card wa
Na ese no wo ho akwanya so ti mi baba ton.
cha nya mbo na mintu
Achanya me akwa ti mi ba. Okay, mama omo mo bedo mbeto ade wa ha. Omo ha mo na.
be ba sha omo haye
Obi a ha mo.
ba sha de na che wa da wo mo be mo no haye obi aba ye ti odi to ye no ma ko
Okay, yeah, na police for ni so just one so. Omo ha mo ka.
ba cha de obi no one tete obi a tete ya hyehyɛ nti obi no tete ya tete ya ntam ama no ma no so yo to am ye nya bi ne ma ko tro adwani di na che wa ye de na se nya mi hira no na no ma no kwa tentene so wa de abadua asase papa wo se so am ye nya bi am ye hwe ye ma ne ye nana me de na se nya mi hira no o ma no kontente no ntumi anya de enko na nim onya no fa so nkrante o so ni fanu me nkrante ni fanu o fa na tin kan fa no ho hia hwe boni bi obo for what you shall find the word. One the best.
Okay, Asanso Ababio, our Kumawu TV top 10, and I had the every life. No, Yakohe videos, no, at the Aba market centers, Yamomo Kada, or what the air Juma. De Biano, Yako at the Sa update, no, at the mount, send a beya, won't so I will fear no, I would dear. Why I would say, Ubeti, Yan President, Nana Adudankwa, Akufo Addo. And until no chef, you know, go information, sir, a coso, abontene, and no any day abroad, live or come out TV medical as a median the Samuel Kwabena Darkon, aka Sam Darkus. And then my can wahana no, and then come I didn't wahana any videos are ye born wahana no, who call YouTuber, what's it open Sam Darkus TV. Type Sam Darkus SAMDACKUS Sam Darkus ukohwa na wakohwe videos a ye ewa ha enyina no eho ene yede to pacha wokwa wo hwa na wa subscribe na wa share na afen so wa leave comment e de ato ho ye be kenkan e de ama sabre de number na the screen no eye text message text line and now say WhatsApp line fa wan kasa wadwen kire ensem a ye kan wa ha no nia wadwene eye wo no mo betimi e de afa so na ya kenkan e de amount ye bisa se sabre ya lockdown e wo hoyi e pa chaw se woni udofo e na wo ho a na se e bia be ma ona so ba timi kokrom ko digwa e de ba e na so wa kokrom akoso nkrofo mu abaninti asese wona oyere ebe eda ho a we na na ni hwa ha ana se we na na ni hwa ha ana se mo wetimi e wo ho kwan se mo be shapna we e question ye de acto se obi an kasa entre nadwene we or say can you say you will sleep in same bed without touching her or each other or also no we say so asan baby was say good evening sir, this is Thomas, Italy. Okay, so far I need the figure of positive ones. Okay, I'm saying no join here. Me the best idea to ja ama one dia ekoso ewo Ghana na Italy so what is saying me sure say bibia eye oho we say so say Kumawood TV you are special. If total lockdown will work on, government should give 1 week to people who from villages to cities to go back to their hometowns because they are guswa na mo enjoy na ba ko bo wa e den na obeye e won interest e bo wa na onya bi obi onya yare ni bi no one ye continuous yes your order day at least make us say make me abowa because make us so I don't just say me will be and here mama e wa no enye se yama yesuro wakra chen sebi se bejem bejem yesuro wakra chen ta ade afo this time one form very so better but ogbo wa pe no be pe say dey ogbo wa some edit afo be dwane papa I didn't say bas say ne wo kan na obi ne dofo kwa dadam na bibia e koso na okobo wa sam oko e wa ye normal wa say e kase dey na ye moye wadada ye boye wadada ana even do kra utimi sire kra na wa bo wa afem ubetimi asira bo wa kposi e wa do kra na wa yare na nye wanko na gina so me fa she tim say obi bo wa fe na say wo frɛ yine be quarantine no dey be say ye wa pressure duma na ye na wo temperature cost ka kra be say wanya bi ti wane de e wane ka ho de but enye say obi bo wa na say wanya wa ketwa continuous so okay we I say I'm watching you live from Dama Bin. Wow, Damango, not Damango, Doma Bin. Okay, sorry if my nyani here. I say it can be possible that man and the woman can never distance themselves. Okay, at this particular period, once they are all in at home from morning to evening, definitely they would surely touch each other. Okay, bless and the sir we eba. Okay, you have video now. You share by at least and amount for a comport to a kakra distance no a room kakra omo a use card at the tongue omo near kakra tise wo busa se na amount for na omo so eba beton so enfa problem bia mama wo kase enfa problems bia ma I think now jomfo no edi omumra so yeah jomfo no edi omumra so pa but on say de bia ye kan omo ba beto no so omo na sisi no omo bodom but sisi ya no akwa say soldiers for ne police for ne fire for ne bomodin so said de be ya omo ye ma nkokrum na makobo apisu wo so I just say ntino se bia wo ebu akwa ye si diga wo ebu akwa ho se me beto bayere wo race cross be kwa adwum wo ebu akwa ti soldiers for ne bom ho modin ana eno so ka ho bi san na omo san amanfo ne ka ho bi na ma edwom no ye hu ne se hwa ye empty ka ye kan race cross pa body adwoso na ye betna show iso no na 566 ade chin ya bepembe say 12 to 1 o'clock 566 and all of a sudden sisi ya tia ka say o hwe o time be 526 na ya sign and record another case call 636 yeah 636 some na ye ka say emma no bo mo homoden ntie mo ma baso say sisi the social distancing aba omo tete omo ntem omo badwum ho no so beto nyema no omo so tete omo ntem nti no ye ka say ye ne sa sam
one shot the next meeting na yene na do dan kwa Akufo Addo be hia no one hwe kra o be a o kan se na yedi nkomo ha se em se yenya sa total lockdown no a ebeboa na bibisa se total lockdown no oba na wo ton niam wo dwom ho no ebe den no so atimi akwa ton niam sam total lockdown mpo na yenya hunu ye ho so yi
partial lockdown mpo
partial mpo ne ye hunu na ebe ko total sam medie minsusu ye mu no mesɛ mo bia enyi ma no ensi bɔne
okay
but medie minsusu
o kan wadwene
enka meka sɛ sesia na ye wo mu na ye hu sɛ yare no each and every day increase no a yamma meti news every information minister na do dan ko Akufo Addo ho sɛ menua no sese de yare no ye nya cases man be do say no afa de enko animu biem eno no sam sɛ ya ka sɛ ye masa social distancing na sam meti ase me maami bi beti ase me nua bi beti ase but each and every day no a ade no increase enko animu no de sam enka mesere sɛ omampani emfa nhye from ra na senko so wo mmoa bi ode beboa yen se obema ye aduane adia enko omampani hunu ye mobo wo saa kwan so na ommomode nche nuane mayen ana se omma kwan se ebia ene ochena de mama mo kwan se ne pedifo no ekodwa so kodwa wa opesa okokoto niam bia no mesra okodwa so a to eniam no mane no so se ne be ya wokofie a be na wotwe mienu na wotwe ana ewo ye nimu yi sam saa eniam na obeto no entimi mfa ntwa be na wotwe mienu na enti saa ene na do emra mema ye eniam ofie
na ema ye saa time no ma ye saa few days say ye nkodi saa adwa na ene senka that day no ye de be for ye ho
sam ana anya ne saa na meka no say sesi ana ma no ho no mu diga no a ye se social distancing ewo mu ye na ye timi nya kwan kodwa so kodiga no
ye ninwo
ye kwa ye nton ne mane no so sika no na ye mfambre fie
sika no we
se sam sika ni ho a ye de koto ne mane de a ene na do dan ko Akufo Addo o bo ho modern ba se kombe de na ye betua light be wo be ma ye light se ye nsan light
na ewu
na kombe de a me ewu de ene na sanje o light na wo kan ye no na bo modern a che nuane fabre ye fie mu na ye ntena fie sam eni kwanse ye kodwa so
ana on for light den free yen
o dia light on for free yen obetimi dia free yen
e betia na men bia no mom
na omon chenwu ye ka no so na ye ntuatua nkakra sam me feel say no bebo na do dan ko Akufo Addo ne omampani a omote adwamu ne mpanimfo a omo so na do ase a omo de sa se we e dia gu akwam sam omo ma ye aduane ni Ghana fo ye nya aduane sabre aduane ne ye pe omo ma ye aduane na ye ni sam na omo nya se sisi aidie ebre na so ena yen sore ena yen kodwa so nkodi dwa ne yemra na do dan kwa so ma ye aduane adia ma yen tena fie na ma ye aduane ni na emma no ewo dwa so no entena fie kakra anya hwe ne na watwemienu se na watwemienu sam yetimye didwa na do dan kwa Akufo Addo so obemma Ghana fo aduane di na watwemienu a Ghana obetimi ayama na bro so ene fund ya omo ekreti to hoyi enkrofo ye donations sika bam sam omampani ma ye aduane ni na ye ntena fie na watwemienu abra obia nkodwom na sam ye nhwe se cases ade ade se nyina ye record yi ebi be sa ba so bie mu ana ebe du sa na se ebe reduce ebe gina ho a sam se ye ntimi anye ne se ya ene sam na ye call for total lockdown se total lockdown no so ba mu asam emmoa me na omienu enti ebe sere na do dan ko Akufo Addo omre ye aduane na ye ni na ye nhye dem ye ntena fie na emma no a asora kogudwa so a obi asora excuse awo ma odi kodwa so anze me koto ade obehu no obi akodwa so obeba na momone baako bayire 10 cedi ene enyado 2 cedi na wapakoto odwa so na ofiri ba bi ti se pankro no ofiri bremai
ba ofa central of late there ene there police for soldier for no mamia mama I
feel ye dwuma mi o mamiam no ye bo ma baso basam ye be miam na se na ye be manipa ne bi kwan ama o matimi akodwa so ene tonto do vesi kura no ebi mu wura lungu ene de nipa ba kuro mo beto ne ma de kofi sam sanya ma we nyina ye niam a emwa yen na da kwa Akufo Addo wo ya de ye bo abaso na mo afiafo o ya de na mo enya nwie peye na do da kwa Akufo Addo wone omudi oman no so a omo de nhihye ye gu akwa mu no omo ma ye aduane na ye ni na ye ntena fie na sa edwa hodo a ebo pe so no na sam nya me sa de aka ho biam no say sa places a ye se ye recording cases ni bi oro sam one sha oman koko Ghana ensem a ye beti wo ya so ni ne ye de ani be hunu no na wotwe ya wie ye no sam one sha de yam hihye beba hwa branche bi a wo de figure bi beto ho say 1036 and ababedu asate emra numre na enenam viral social media na odi fear and panic e dey ban sa de manyama wonyina sam won say that short ade no kro odi beto ho no figure we yo odi beto wo mpo na yeyam hihye yo na sam yam fa na say akwakodu na wotwe ya wieye na sa figure ya branche de beto we mpo ne nya aboro sa me pato sam enye fear and panic kro ya bia enti say ya tena fie enya twen ya ho efiri edwa hodo num for the meantime na do emma bonten meka kire say
na ofin say ye was ha hoden na ye be total lockdown
some when ye total lockdown ye partial no na ye ka ho
na partial no kra no Mr. Ejimamra so partial no still na no ukọ other regions increase na increase but other regions no ye ma mo partial kra
ukọ ba bi se ko foridua any other regions ni bia sam me body here
32
plus market ahodo no mu a sam uyem be so
enye market ho nko ana sa yare ni fiba me fan say yetrim say yale no ukodwomu ana ukonya no enti sa
ko ba bia nipa wa
ko ba bia nipa wa ana unya enye dwomu nko a me ba
sisi ye ni crowded areas bia nipa ko
me ba ana we so e ba na nkire say dwomfo na ye de anya sa figure we what you say your fan say sa 635 was 636 endra assets endra na 566
yeah
ana say saying na beka ho over 100 no Ashanti region you say we say ni nyina yati ye hu ni hu say markets bebre na wo
say Ashanti regional
mebo the me person lot you say enye market and e ko fire ne ba so what I say ye wo baabi ana obi wo kro onkodwom ba yare ne won ho won area wo de saa amanfo e wo no ana onko
na we area na we won yes shedam yen kasa pie
enti na make say lofty kase yenko social lockdown total lockdown meti ase all right but so kase there be yemo obi an shedam na do mle ya duane na nsan ye passia na ne passia na utimi ko ba bia opa na still na say yare ne da so we passia no dia maye say passia utimi ko ba bi with reason sana say wo kaso wo mia we nu mu a the same thing sana be ye enti now say asemu a okay say you are calling for total lockdown okay and the obi ampie ye hu abonten a ya bo unko digwa wo ba bia unko je na ne o hye na do e ma waduane na asa Ghana now no nya dia na do betima ye sa de for 2 weeks de bia continuous anopa wi anwumre e video bia
sika hwe donations amount for the men
any sika e mu kakra ba ye nipa say na enya bi
sika omo package omo ne ba be ele
omo de den wo beka
one farm ma ye ni di na sebe ye ku
kwa menka asem to na betimi akase ai me de aduane be bi an hye dem wan na be si ne so ama na abeche aduane omo de aba articulator mane ade nipa say na enya bi hu ba bi eche no be wan no mo no akakra gu chance ya che o nipa 20 30 no ma cha mo e mo nda aka no we eden ya ye be bi atum ko obi warehouse ti se gu o se chaw so what I say enti na de no na do beka mema mo aduane batanya de aduane no wo benya bi adi a misu menya bi adi onsanka ye betimi akase ya mo obi a mo sack baako de ode ba no betwa konkomienu ama wo
okay
what I say enti no ade no se de bambofo ne yirim enya yiri o mo yirim anka abro sa ke bro ke ya kwata ya bro 2000 kra but eyen kakra ana on se cases ni bi so omo adikan contact traces no omo tracing microphone bebre omo mu na omo test ya omo dinya these figures no enya dia figure no ebetu obetwa sisi a just about 1 month time and 2 months time.
Okay.
Enti no mama yam fa ne say
total lockdown na partial lockdown. You heard the Nana Adodankwa Akufo Addo Ghana president and then penny for Eddie Bebrayan. Wait or say hi, I'm Asante watching you live from Libya, Tripoli. I prefer total lockdown in Ghana. I'm saying Libya and now best I'm called lockdown. Somehow can wait, I say please hello please good evening. Hope you're good and thank God Almighty. Watching you live from Cape Coast and we are not locked down. In Cape Coast, you are not locked down. Okay, a wife or a husband can sleep in the same bedroom and touch each other. Okay, because when you get home from work, we wash down before doing different things. Okay, and please, I agree with your colleague is saying the light and water free won't help us, but what we need is food. I always feel bad for those need. Mr. Sam, please help tell the president that they should help country or this country. The friend of Naomi and also energy way at the buyer. Okay, and Honorable Minister, Information Minister, and Communication Minister, and Penny for Ministers be bringing in some trouble for Asia. Emma Amodin Sembi to Yanim, Yabako, Neakwa Korean phone, you know, Nayaba, Yaba, na Abajafon, so Abetuas.
776, 867 confirmed cases of COVID-19, including about 111, 828 deaths, which was reported by WHO. Within the African context, South Africa has recorded about 2,272 cases with 27 deaths. Algeria has 1,983 with 313 deaths. Cameroon has recorded 820 with 12 deaths. Cote d'Ivoire has 626 with 6 deaths, followed by Ghana with 566 with 8 deaths. The rest are Nigeria, who has 529 but with 12 deaths. Burkina Faso has a lower number of 497 but has 27 deaths. And Nigeria has 343 positives with 10 deaths. The minister has given a short overview of where we are. But in Ghana, as of Saturday, April the 11th, because we are compiling the testing and results, account for about a per capita testing of about 1,265 per 1 million population. That's if we use our 30 million, estimated 30 million population. And this is the highest in Africa, followed by South Africa, who has about 1,161 per million population. And we, in terms of testing capacity per capita, we are the 14th in the world. Currently, we have about 44,421 samples. We have taken samples, and which means that the last 7,000 are being tested, and I know currently some are still running. And if we to complete that, we would have had a test capacity per capita of 1,480 per 1 million population, which is quite, so it's no wonder we have the number we are having. Aggressive tracing, tracking, testing, and treatment has been the approach adopted to contain the virus, and be ahead of the virus. Yes. Of the 566, we have 7 in Upper West region. Currently, we have about 10 regions that have recorded cases out of the 16 regions. 10 in Upper West, 4 in Upper East, 1 in Northeast. We have 10 in Northern region that has remained so for a while now. We have 49 in Ashanti, 32 in Eastern region, 9 in Volta region, 1 in Western, and 1 in Central region, with Greater Accra recording 452 cases. Now, how has we done as far as the case management is concerned? Currently, we have a definition of recovered as those who are positive and has recorded 2 consecutive negatives. And that's what becomes that you can claim that you are cured. Currently, we have 83 people in that category who have, a significant number have tested the first negative, but we have about 17 who have recorded double negatives that are obviously clinically cured, and that's quite good. We also have about, out of this number, we have about 208 who are well asymptomatic or in the mild condition and being treated at home in isolation centers. Currently, we have only 2 critically ill people in the hospital with 10 deaths. So like I said, we have about 17 who have tested double negative, and so they are completely cured. We will monitor them, obviously. We have 66 of them who have tested the first negative, and we are waiting for the second test. The chances are that they will all be negative again. We have treatment centers in all regions. Ashanti has, Konfanochi, Kumasi South, Obuasi, Bekwai has cases. In Accra, we have Gan East, 37, Rage, Tema, UGMC, Nyaho Clinic is now treating, and Kolebu Teaching Hospital. The last time I gave you a number of admissions across the treatment center across the country. I'll give you the numbers that are currently being, that is on admission. I think I'm moving faster than the screen. No, okay, great. Okay. Now, so if you look at Gan East, ASAT 13 has 53 people on admission. Tema has 5 on admission. The UGMC has 23. The military hospital has 2. Rage Hospital has 4. Konfanochi now has 2 people on admission. Kumasi South has 6. Kolebu now is keeping cases. They have 2. Bekwai has 2. Obuasi has 2. Volta region has 7 on admission. Eastern region has 32 in Begro and Atua. And then we have Wa Regional Hospital with 7, and Bolga has 3 on admission. So that's just to share with you that the broad category of status that we have. In the next slide, just, we can see that the number of tests that are done over during the enhanced periods in cumulative numbers that we have done. Currently, we have expanded our. If you go back to the last time, you can see that we have cumulatively now about 48,000 samples have been delivered for the testing. Our current testing site has been expanded in Oguchi, in Accra, in Kumasi. In the last few days, we have brought on the National Public Health Reference Laboratory in Kolebu. They are also doing so. The Veterinary Service Division and Pongmale have also joined in testing, and so we are slowly expanding our capacity to test, because that's extremely important, because the essence of treat, test, and manage is to identify and isolate all positivity to prevent further spread. And so faster you get your results, the quicker you are able to move them out of the society. So I'll go to the next steps. We have newly diagnosed centers as come on board. As I mentioned, we are planning to bring the Tamale Reference Lab on board. The Cape Coast has expressed, because we don't want a situation where people who are
say test ahodoa and as a samples ahodoa yetumi agye a ye be test no ukaboma be 48,000 samples and over. If you can go back to those slides, be 48,000 samples. Na eno na aboama ene yehu nipa ahodoa wo yare ni bia wo se etumi etu om so sana yehwe ne esom yare titiriu enipa dunson 17 omho ato omkora eno ye asem a say asem de da ne ye beda clinicians ne Ghana Health Service ne doctors ne nurses ahodoa ehwom nipa dunson ye kasa obi ho ato na ase kire se ifi ase no no yare ni bi yahwe no wa yare sabia ama se yesan hwe ni video nim ye test a ye hu yare ni bi wo ni video eno na ema doctor for ntumi kan se ni pakro ne ho ato no That's the definition of a cured case. Emu eduasia insia 66 bisu wo hwa ya test on first one ye hu bi wo omowidim by person assign test on biom na ye sure say ekokora se no nyame ya adom na say 44,421 samples as at Saturday, April 11. So what is on the way to the labs is what will bring it to 48. But as at now in the labs, they have samples of 44,000. Now, please pay attention to this. If you want to test how well or how aggressively a country is testing, you look at their ratio of tests to every 1 million of their population. So take Norway. Norway has tested 6,492 people per every 1 million of their population. That's why we say that Norway is the one that is doing the most aggressive testing program, followed by South Korea. They've tested 6,182 per every 1 million of their population. That's why they are second. Australia has done 4,294. Italy has done 3,019. Denmark has done 1,566. Austria has done 1,533. Canada, 1,469. Ireland, 1,359. That would be number 8. Israel, 1,275. That would be number 9. Now, over the weekend, where we were was 1,265 per every 1 million of our population in Ghana. That was because at the time we had tested 37,954. And as it's been explained, where we are now, 44,221, will put us at 1,480 per every 1 million of our population. 1,480 if these statistics remain, assuming the other countries are not upping their numbers, which will not be correct because they'll also be upping their numbers. But that clearly puts us even within the first about 10 countries that are aggressively testing. So just to put it in context of the kind of testing program, the enhanced testing program that we've been talking about, which the president said was therefore making these 2 weeks a very critical period to guide us forward. So Dr. Abwaji, to you and your team and the clinicians, we are very grateful. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, largely, the general public, as a result of the good work being done through mass media and public health education committees at the local level, the general public has been cooperative in observing the measures introduced to fight the pandemic. And as we've mentioned, these include the social distancing protocols, the need to, as much as possible, stay at home, and the preventive etiquette of hand washing and the use of sanitizers. We acknowledge, however, that there's still a good number of persons who have either still not heard or who have not paid particular attention, or who just don't believe all that is being said so far about COVID-19. There are some who also hold certain beliefs that are not backed by science. We need to do more to ensure that the word will reach all of these persons. One person alone not observing the measures is a risk to all of us. After all, the virus, as is believed, started transmission from just one person far away somewhere in Asia. So just one person here in Ghana who is not observing puts all of us at risk.
Okay, yeah, Anopay, Minister of Information and Minister of Education and Nenkro for Asia, or media for Shia, and some of the two Janamobi any honorable Kojo upon Chroma and or can say. I'm out for the brain to say, Yare no ho, and so qua ne cosro, Nipa wa ne wo. Oko Africa ha, South Africa, and a lady. South Africa, 2,272, emu 27, ena omawu, ena oba Algeria, Algeria see 1,983, emu 313, emu 313, ena sebi omawu. Oko Cameroon, enipa 820. Emu 12 and Oba Cote d'Ivoire 626 626 figure we nyina ye anapa na besi ewia no anwumre die nka ho emu 6 ena ewo Cote d'Ivoire oba Ghana say ahuri akọ 636 anapa no omoka no na ewo form but say ahuri akọ 636 eni emu 10 eni pedu ena sabi omawu ewo Ghana ha ukọ di jail a 529 emu 12 ena efrimu ena Burkina Faso enso 497 emu 27 ena akababi ukọ Nigeria nso 343 emu 10 ena efrimu we ekrese ensama ekoso no ano eden ase yagidi ase anyini Ghana eko enipa du ena omahwere mo ka DJ Lofty ya hwe other countries no African countries now omo figures no ekoso
some medal say wo hwe figures a ye hu wo ha yi a some yade a yare no meka se nanka Africa for adwen ye se yare no enya de a
entimi ye wada no
ababedru ha na
se wada no
ewie a ebo ene ye dem a ye da hyew a ewo ha ne se ne ye communities ne tie no kra na yare we nya de a ebedru ha ne se before kra de ye moja na ewo ye mu no say different from abrofo ne de no enti yare ne ntimi ma sa adwene no a edi kan ba ye trimu kanen no se entimi nye Africans no ene na ma ene sa figures ya sam ye de ni hu ene ye experience senka ebre no eduru se ye tete se astarte e wo China akwa koduru ba bi ti se Italy ene other countries na aka no ena ka Africans ye bo modern ye ya adwe okay ene se na be ye ma yare no intimi travel enfri obi ma so na e ma ha no ye kusu down ye borders ni nyina na ye mo obi kwan e ma ni enfri obi ma so e ma ha sam enkenye ne se ene Africans yes we experience and now we figures here South Africa for air topic and what and I'm say Algeria so about 983 more death rate 313 the whole Africa this over the whole Africa and yeah Niger for Algeria for omo and omo experience death more and what omo country omo my more some and more way any ejimu de say Ghana there you experience 10 deaths. 10 deaths for the year. No, to me, I'm going to do 10. It's a chassis free back. And they call me no one about Bedusa, you know. Maybe there's a son I'll call Algeria and so on. A chassis, yes, and I'll call do Saturday 1 3. Here come once and see some. Yamaka some country Africans, Nana say. Maybe be African, be any African, be our or gay. Not all saying. The best say, Yari, and your figure grow. Or information minister, not some our car. I said Ghana for cry a bit to say. Ya run back from one day, I have opinion, say I run the soul. Yep. Opinion will be a run a city action in Tino, as I saw no so now upon a mobile free and open the soup or 1 year, and to say I run at Yassi, and I run all. Some say a cost why the Sa and Yama is arguing away essay 3 months. Some Sa numbers here, ye win. Ye be woman up, Brosa, ye be woman up. Africans, ya been say, the person who a woo a fast higher coronavirus, you know. Some, the person may catch that Ghana for Africans now and say, Yariano is real and it's happening. And no be experiencing a woo and the cases are rising a cost through the brain. My young fine yefe diagro. Yan more than say, but you won't freeze higher real some. So, okay, say Africans. Okay. Yeah, experiences are dirty, and it's a total number of people here. Almost enya sa Arabia. Some, not just say a good year, and the idea 2 years, and this was a Yariano, and a man, and I do something. Okay, my member, Mr. Eugene, I will share our missions in various hospitals across the country. Osha, as at a panel, Ghana East, Ewo, hospitals, no, Ewo, Ghana, Ghana East, Ewo. 53 our hospital or Tema Central 5 Oba UGMC and so 23 and 37 military hospital 2 Oba Rage Hospital 4
wokɔ Comfort Nochi Teaching Hospital yɛ Kumasi omo wo 2 ɛna afenso woba Kumasi South nso ɛwɔ 6 woba Bekwai I record 2 ɛna Obuasi 2 Volta Regional Hospital nso wɔ 7 ɛna afenso Eastern Region Begro nso wɔ 32 afei okɔ Regional Hospital omo wɔ 7 Bolga wɔ 3 ɛna Kwalebu ɛwɔ 2 sa ɛna ɛte ɛwɔ hɔ Mr. Ejid all these cases are aba ya kyerɛkyerɛ sɛ okɔ ha nkrɔfoɔ nya bi wɔ hɔ okɔ ha nkrɔfoɔ nya bi wɔ selamanfoɔ nsuro selamanfoɔ emmohu
on say a guy be crack and say ono Ghana ha no ngindi say yale no ɛwɔ ha anase sɛ de omo connect sa because so hwɛ social media na yi a Italy for tibi twa hospital ho ebe kire Robert da ho mo hu se omo da ho adan na Ghana de ye ntwa bi ma ye hu se mo ma ye ma ho kura na mo ma ye ma ho kura na denti na omo ntwa e ma Yesu ye hu se de abrofo no etwa no o se woni ba bi kro kra e wo
omre konfo na je 2 ho ukọ no 56 ho omre ne mfo no
to aja to se de abrofo ni twa ba TV so ade patients ni de da ho no a omo ye omo ho adwuma no denti na Ghana hwɛ se ehye no kro se enya no kro me dem pese me ka chem nan se yare no ewo ho ana enyi wo kra bo ho ban wo de try se wunya bi so I just say see if I say asset we asset ndra dia na se cases ewo
there we see and none pay e no
good so intino
anyime na bia beka ho dia I don't know but so far
they all when very good na just say cases na ewo ho nyina 633 you know 635 and 636 ni nyina na wa say aha enti no say ye baby aya
we ya chechem wo baby e bi wo hospitals e bi wo
enti so unji ndia wo de ko hospital ye say e bi mienu wo konfa no che wo ko wa wo se wo pese wo hwe omo nya yi
o so pese wo ba chia o na butu o so na wo bompa ye ma wo na hwese e bi wo na say e bi
so enti de be ka che minuanum say ade bi wo ha me enfa ni agro ade na ba ana the whole adu the whole world oh it is a world war ana obi ya ko ne de o so what I say US anka say bu say okro no kro hiamoa ya na ya twa ya ni US meboa you won onu amu hiamoa so what I say entimu ma ya entimamufo no ya ankasa ya mo aboa ye ho dan say ye be ye na ya le ni ho ana bi a che hwan na nipa wa che no oten no fri sa de no mumye ntwa so na meje sampanifo de agu akwan mu no yenye de omo ma yen endi so
okay
so I say make a cram person make
okay DJ ene metie fu we na omo ye no na omo kire se obi bebusa questions bi na adade se media for ya na police for ne omo hwe we ne so no e mo treat omo no obi wo ho a se nipa no yi ni ID card nko ana se o ka se or media we are I think say also more allowed nipa no man ko let's talk about ho kakra na fi
some mamen ka asem we ne e wo kasafo yini so na obi o hwe ye no hunu asem America ni ye some meti we me ye Ghana ni
yeah
say me chusu say me belong to any other political party and no me me choice
yeah
some but me tia sisi me pese me ma Ghana for hu say bia ye wo mo is not about politics say me ye NDC ni ana me ye MPP ni propaganda adwuma sam unim say ye central for na ye nim ka say ye ka say ye propaganda ye betumi aye ne aye ni ye pa ye besre nipa e wo man Ghana mu say police officers soldiers fire service personnel security agencies na ya mama kwanya say wonyina vantage point na mommo oba aman na ho ban na obi asabi oni bibia ye no eni kwan se ma na kwa bonten no momo maye mfa politics e ma meseye ade no ti se ne enkrofobia start ye propaganda sending videos bi ene figures bi e call viral enye no kre Sanya mano, and you know, some, Cecilia here. Yeah. Meto ba se Ghana ni. Matuma ba ma MPP pen. Matuma ba ama NDC pen. Me ye Ghana ni. Nye me feel say ebeboa oman no. Eno na me ye. Some person me kind of correct Ghana for nyina say. Wa sabre wa dwen say wo opposition. Ana wo ye party member, wo party bim. Wa ban ene wo so. Enti de ade we boy politics no. Na say wan kasa sabi sam. Manu susimina so na je se wan kasa wa dwe mo ha wa dwe mo mre san se sam me no mienu ya ti ha ye nim se yare ko de we enim NDC ni ena enim MPP ni enim CPP ni ena enim se digital of the meti ha me ye radio presenter ana me ye TV presenter ena enim se samwa kwapna da ko eye popular oye obi anim no oye star oye superstar yare ni nim sa yare ni nim se we ye nado dan kwa Akufo Addo some propaganda no a bambo for ni bia fa so e de e bu nkrofo na se ya ba bo ntia be ka se na nado wa ban so na yare ba ye na ye buru nkrofo na ye de ma buru nkrofo na ye ma nkrofo titi gata mu ni ade some
but total lockdown de e ba de abron de e be buru nkrofo pa
we nyina ye propaganda nkrofo bi ye e di gu oman na ni mu ase some hwe anyama ye koso yi say oko baby to America and say UK any countries say any ya sam hwe baby wo kra na bola wo na wonnim na wo de phone kra ko twa e de betu social media wo say ni pane na wo to afikro mo
and oko Dubai that's how it is
sam wo betu because there's no way broni be pese enyama enye wo no kro mo be de be ba bonten ada na Ghana for ye nsua sa nyama ni bi na yamfa ntua na mo na yamfa mo ye bra sabi yase obi sua ne
odi akire sua de odi kan nante
odi kire no osua de odi kan nante ade na ye nsua abrofo no omo style of living omo nyema omo ye ne bi na emwa ye
okay
so say police media na adwe so obebu obi ni aka say na nado penso na yare ba ye na ohwe ne ye de ye nkrofo ene ukọ radio so any other TV stations nkrofo de ye propaganda ye nya sa abre wei e wo sa nyema no sa nsem kekan no
okay yemre na so enche bebie ya homatofo no ato na so wo de wadwentre e de aba ye busa se time ye wo lockdown mi anye bia o se o call yire ho o se o call yire ho ana mama distances no enye aduma won paso e ya adwentre wetima kire wadwene na wo de aba we was say hi please I'm Haruna from Bro East region. The reason why the cases keep on increasing is because of the contact tracing. So we should be expecting more cases every day till the last person is tested. Okay, and also not advisor or the MI and I just say increasing the money because contact tracing cost so and also I say we say good evening brother. I'm Emmanuel from Libya. Please, I prefer total lockdown. Libya for you. Ghana for being baboon. Total lockdown. No, Bebreniska. We will say hello. I'm Theophilus. I really like your program. But some Ghanaians are really forced. Just stay home and avoid spreading of the virus. Still. They don't want to obey. Theophilus, and also no. We say good evening, Mr. Sam. I'm Elder Richard. Elder, praise him. Thanks for your good work. The way the disease is spreading, we should advise ourselves and stay home. And please, those interview people in the market centers should be careful. Okay, we advise of them interview woman and if not they can get it easily. But the way but good evening, Mr. Sam. Okay, I think it's the same thing. Elder also the I think say that kind the amount. Yeah, but na yako quick commercial break aba. Na ya ba na fe bi e phone na tum. Watch the wajune. Wo say what there? Wonna we yere motete montam dada motete montam
yate ho ase
to we da ha na we da
obi nso ne yere te ne ho ase say omo be hia na omo ye no person mo ya e your decision ma me e na mo decide say na be ya e bia me nkofa yare ne mfira bonten emfa mre oba no ne nkola no yate ye ho ase me kwa me getting myself closer to nkola no bebre because every bebre wo ha me ne me ma na di agora enye sa bretia we ena me ne me ma no e be di agora ma nkola no
se woni omo ni agora
nti wo de wo ate ho ana Mr. Edu se da bi
ye ne sa
e yo no need
this so sharp na mo nko na mo ho na mo nko na mo so mo mu ana
mu didi bom mo da mpa ba akoso wo say very covenant into men no na in what ways
quick commercial break ya ba ya beto aso
no makwaba any back Quality Medicals Limited they will come and say airport roundabout kwanya ekobo kromo ultra police junction e hwana Quality Medicals aseye anase hospital e will come and say kroduemu na ebota yesi enisu ne se ba de fa yensa so aboa nkofo dodo a wo how wo ni peduemu nka yarewa diseases ye hwe ya repeat say arthritis eno pemu ni enkase mu sasabro isisi ya de obi adensem abu e wo say hwe ni piu de wonya dislocation of any of the bones or joints what the bakalika ebeboa ama o ato make us say what hypertension and when you diabetes and when you kidney problem or nice atata but modern brand na only ever 20 ya na ye wo emuro son kwa e ye adwuma enye no kwa so ye wo mfidie ahodo obono a ye de check the padua no ye wo laboratory sector ye de hwehwe ni padua no emogya mu ya de a ekoso ansana ye de adru account sebi ya kosua wo fie ya kogun school akosua de ebi mo fi tech ebi mo fi chana ene ya kan ye ho boma ye boase ni padodo bi obeba ye nchen no erade be fa ye nsaso e de apoto ama won enti onua wo hwe me o pebe bi akọ o pa resebia bi akwa tutuna mo bra Quality Medicals Limited ye wo Kumasi airport runabout kwana e ko buku na se amtoa kwan ne so no obetima free telephone numbers na wo mu afidie so na se emwa bi ana o ha bi e chill so a tutu minka bra na erade be fa ye so aboa ama hoto aba ene abusuafo ene nafofo nyina eso
Quality Medical Limited ye physiotherapy units ena ye chere uba ya soya ye wo yade am bibira yesa aha e massage units ye wo machine a ye di bi obi a na chi do mpeni kasem ana se na aposo the joint area eno sada nchen a ye wo UV light machine ye di tuli pano so a se empo no e bia na dintin blood vessels no be bia sisi e mo akroto a e wo mo entin no e ma emogya no etini edi afusane se oba ya so ya ye wo yade hudu bibira yesa enye enro enwa ne de ma ye sa wo machines a ye de edi edipedua ne huduma se de be ya akwani nyina be nya na ho de ye ka ya le bi ti se eye male and female infertility a oba Quality Medical Limited se oba o pa wo na wo ho aye de ama no ana se be ma o pe awo na ne mpamwa no ahodin nim a obetimi ama oba anyinse onfa nani enkyere ha eno so da nchen a eye stroke obi a wenya stroke se ne fa na adodo ana se nipadua mu ni nyina na adodo a onfa nani enkyere ha yare bi se kidney problem eye typhoid junso mu yare eni na mu yare syphilis gonorrhea de eno de na se odi duru ha ye betenete ye ba ema no so efe kwa obi a owo fibroid say yes na wo die no ya rebi abedem onfa na ni enkyere ha emema no obi a owo eye na aposo ta ye ne ya ana say obi a ontimi na ebi a depression ebi a stress and amasa ya de we nyina ba onfa na ni enkyere ha aha laboratory center test ahudu na ewa
Quality Medicals you will Kumasi airport runabout medamuse
dia enka mewu otamfu neka hunkwa naka masakura listen neka hunkwa.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Now, Makwaba Ediba Quality Medicals Limited, they will come and say airport roundabout, Kwanya Kobo Kromo, Utra Police Junction, and Hwanero. Quality Medicals, and as a hospital, they will come and say Clodiemu. What I see in this message, the fire and Sasso, Abwa, and Akufo Addo, how we need to
be. So I'm a Makwaba Ediba. Sure, yeah, update the demo. Na ene yebisa se yare ya baya ya shefie ya quarantine ya hu yese wono yere na se wono kunu ene o ma wo ha mo so be distance mo ho ana yese mbe sharpna ana se enye se mbe sharpna Mr. Eugene say ono de o se odo no ebem na obi kura se no kura no ema yare no kura no ebi ntimi mba so mo sharpna mo no ana obi nso di na adwenkyira ba se wo de umpe akire kura na efiri eneko no bo kire wonko a memmo animu bo kire na nipa no bo wakora ebi emma so ana menua DJ love to say ebe ya total lockdown or demo mon obi an loko na mon quarantine some quarantine mo wi a efiri hoko say 1 month kura anya hwe 2 months kura anya hwe 3 months kura anya hwe eno na DJ locked o kana wonso wadwen kire e kire wo sei ya bi ahoma na tum obetimi afre me na ya twetwe enkomo 0200 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 ofra metimi enewo atwetwe enkomo yen hese ofra for odikan aba hello DJ Lofty still ade ojana so obati sanwadwe kakra
Sam
say at least
eno na me decision but say obi wo hona office of so okon yere ho a me ntumi si nipa no kwan but to be I
so what advice na
at say me bi a oni oba
Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Come to me share my game or discussion.
Okay, but we didn't be frame me free.
Pacho your friend tells me free for radio.
Okay, my NTO.
Yo, need the kindness or question I would do to justice here no say our for ne mano nka woman chu won free won ho anano. Eno de mi gidi se enye adwuma sa ya enye adwuma ne se enne Ghana ha nipa himpo na etumi ehai your friend say chimben ho etinem tintino se woni wan kasa wodan a 6 bedrooms 4 bedrooms a wobetumi ayesa obeye den ena wone woyere moye sa mpacha ose
singing room wan some betima chichim
Uchemu saying na ye. The only thing I say we and say busuan mo je to mo so na mmom bribiaria enkomoba ekoso yen hohoro yen sa yen sanitize ye hone ho nkeka ho no de yeni na pepe mi gidi si ye sa ebeboa ebusuan no enu echi no me pese me bo aban na baso se wutie enen komoba ye di tu Jamaican Minister for Information Ebeki Kaina. Ubun Ghana. Hello? Yeah, utie near Minister of Information Ebeki Kaina. Naturally Ghana ye boy ye home modern papa e wo muse bebrena engine tum. Say ye boy ye home modern sa. Intino media nka stress ubia mo no home modern na nya ye no yentumi enye womo a edisa videos be brain no me who be a me who say enye no correct na excuse me to say see a bro crofum kwese see a bro Ghana for ya so dey indiscipline ba say ma bisa ho say why not ni fie a ye ko wura ne dem akọ no yes it na wo fie na nya dia o tene fie a obenya yare ni bi Ghana ni nti ase obekọ ne ye bro na we be gina TV so radio so aka
I think say one make you a point. You can now offer from so making a point. Hello. Hello. Yeah, hello. Good evening.
Hello.
Good. Mpacho bet mama oni so kakra mama. Good evening. Good evening, baby. Offer me free.
Good Joe.
Joe, offer me free.
The free patafu.
Okay, me enti we.
Na mo bi say asa adofo and ya na say just a map problem so na me bi say no dey say ntimi nya adwuma mo ni bi ta.
Ntimi nya adwuma ho.
David ntimi nya adwuma.
Bia sharp na ho. Yenya ngum.
Oh, you open quad ya send there no the ni pa send the
station no. Next year man for better to abedin papa. Okay, hello. Hello, good evening. Hello. So from your na one position when you can grab but me and you actually combo. From your normal video Akufo na metime and watching come. Hello. 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 And I said, Milano, I had to throw a but
good evening. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
In fact, I work all day.
Boko, now, because I'm free.
Because I'm free, Coco.
Good evening.
You're very poor.
Poor me until way.
Hey, look at how we are the manager of
okay.
Now, I knew what some Bakuya and better medicine. Hey, who's it? Almost president of transport. A fish or a cook echo in some and a fish. Yeah.
Okay.
And a few Medina ever a community almost back to 3 almost back after almost almost the things of normal solution go for not after obviously matters. You say, no more yes. Almost but the ICV have the hair, but it's the one move on to ya.
Okay.
Not a lot of red on that on the block on some down.
Okay, that's the plan information. Alright, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, baby. I'm free.
Yes, something. It's free pound corner.
Something meant to it.
Then better make it as a person of bomb basso. Oh, you made ya moody. In fact, you say Yakafi, I would them my uncle. There's education, but they might acquire power. Is it a Kuma TV, the Mobile number 1? They're getting a Mishram. Don't kill any Mishram.
Now, something.
Yes,
I know what you're trying to say.
In fact, Obia ebe supply the one supply the in fact every my first supply the be free and there I was such me adwuma and you say je ba ya wo so woman come obeware enti de so wu ala ni nyina wu preko ai and there je be supply
something that's a plan urgent trepa. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, hello. Good
Hello.
Evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Pacho, would you be a free free?
Pacho, Charles Name Cafe. The American say, BB to say total lockdown now. Mo panelist baako advocate no. Me did this in Keba, a beb wire pa. Much after minjin ni se yenina obi abepe me ankasa meka ho yempe no me gidi se Ghana for enumum ene beboa yen emum to also go to the extent say aban no so mefi bi en te se ne awo hosti wo kan say aban no ewo sika gu ho wa parties ka bebregu ho for election ni ade no de me gidi se eno so ye de bemu se nyenye to see ye vulnerable areas and people who are in need na ye feed won na ye kasi ye feed obi aban ni infinite resources obi to me e dey feed obi and na me check information be on the net as of now every day aban spend 2 million Ghana cedis on feeding and numpo ye 3 areas ya locking it down no na see be lock your friend is saying the whole country down and now so ye be even total lockdown what these 3 regions here o hia e be ye den okay no say bad ye eba na mum feed in bebe mu a say e ko won a wo mu hia nankasa enchen ne dase
yes you dase pa ye be stra ba na figures in the eba na bude nchechire mu so aba na
hello
so mu say pascal say pa na wo de ye nhwe ahoma no so hello
good evening
good evening baby of friend
but me before me for so
okay Fauza pato manangwe
are you calling me my palm way
yeah
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Kasefi for you also.
What did I say?
We did the blood you.
Blessing. Okay, me too.
What's that?
Me too, why?
Me so my drink say, and Umudi market. I will say you also. Nkofo ebubo to fan chen ba have massive one asante for no mu buy e bi gwa wo say you also ha oju npa won ti afi e kwanya mo fa so o mi buy e dey say lockdown ni o say total lockdown kra ani e me ti afi
okay ya da se pa na wa venture ya nhwe say be sanya ofrefo a odi ho hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, baby. Free.
Free. Masi, I from Kwaku.
Kwaku. Okay, ma. I didn't tell no kwai.
If I show. I be an normal channel. Enti se omu jaya. Enti any yana. Oh, many of it. Se abai penny fu amopesa mo bua ma ya re sote. Na mwa mo de aduane akogu aso dem se nipa me bu chenku mefum aduane nti se bi common sense ngira o ma se esi ye ga aduane ne che na ye kwa fie fim bi usi bono bi aso obenya samre mai bi obacha o se ma me wedi odi hia bubro ye ntem akra bi ya ne ma na aduane di eya mo betima che eya o manya daaje cha o ke disi bi anya daaje bi aba e bu amanfo na wo de aduane ko ye o mugu so e fum di no who secure a truck. The people are some phone and this phone and people need to pass it. Monkey check the enemy, Pacotia, Yabe. That left fear bear 1 month. Yet that's what I am quite doing. Now, Mobile Chebia, maybe medium in India. Most are a renaissance spread it. Send me chibi or my man tell me some Motariana. Oh, man, maybe you won't. Only for the man that mentioned. Moyariana. Moyari, one America. What we tell you.
I don't threaten us or near to me. The best hello. Hello. Sorry, Obi I am from Swan, not just hello.
Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. We didn't have me free.
I'm medical in Tawam.
And so okay, young boy.
I am with that. I don't want to come to Kumasi. But Obi to me, Zakra. Obi barrier, no anansi. Extra barrier, no catch your police phone. Or I said, police phone, Ombesi Kano, car no better go back. No more to nipa. Na nipa no mo nante ko. Ọsịrị ya na akasị bịa na-ekwe ntị ọmị wa ọbụwa ọ nkwe ntị ọmụ na ọkụ bịa suhu ọba ntina mpeke mbuza sị sobi o ntị ọma otimi kwa akra ẹna obi so akra otimba ntị ọma
yare na ọmọdé spread no
nti na-eze lockdown mimi ihu so he because kaa ni beduru hɔ a kaa ni na yare ni wom ana nipa na yare n'ọnụ na kaa no kɔ na nipa no mu ma betin ko ni amana ho ni nsa na okwa akwa edo be ni wa akwa na ata to aso
na nipa na ko
wodi ni sa na okọ
okay I think say
man te mo hwe no so ai
wodi ntre no so to aso mi ye pa hello good evening hello good evening okay mama fa afro for be and nine pe na me fa phone segment no NCA.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Pacha odin baby of free.
Mr. Kingsley.
Kingsley kasa free.
Me kasa free edwuma ko.
Okay.
In fact, dima wo dinu ye pa na education all oko grassroots no. All the education or grassroots, papa.
Yeah.
That's the only problem.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Over to change the band, another over to check sanitizer. But education, in Canada, you war information service.
Yeah.
I don't know where this institution is now. If it is possible, the all abandon there, okay, them information vans throughout the nation.
Okay.
Now. On my way dam edwuma because even baby I one knock down but even there activity to kwado papa it is a nipa kurupa de kuruba wura this right now obotu affect thousands me say obebre
okay I think
okay one fair now woman paying funti ase na woman van no kura ranch thank you
hello okay time it's your phone segment na yeah wrap up I'm on for to my dream afa sharp na no do na say away and say I'm on for ba ko kram no do fear Mr. I know you didn't come home.
No, you don't have problem. When you be on enough, and I did first wire, and I'll be doing one bread. Oh, you'll be a while. Want to me sharpen and you know they are called. Make I say, a year by and now to me sharpen up on the barber. And then found, and found a simmer. So you show me a mecca just over as a more okay man no man engine to muda no bana wa crowd mle
o sa problem no but o show baby mama me pe pa oh mama akoye ho ade mama me ko fie
ma oni pa
odu me ko fie akoye ho ade aso ade nya adwuma Knocky sa. Is I didn't hear you.
And then because I'm a sorry so say okay afre for omofre eba adwuma de no. Sam e bia kasa ye pa na on say de bia e betena ha ne e kan say bambofo no enyere omodwuma na omoma omodwuma no emu enye den. Me gidi say eye sa ebeboa. Sam e bi ti say ye send na kola bi e kasa krofo etumi afiri nkran. Batum ne nyina ye say lockdown yi enkofo timi sorry free nkran. Hwe enye dra woni na no ode ne ba no kwa na e magufu. Se wu nipa da sani asabi adwen da wotiri. Na Sam ye say yare na ba unim nipa wo konya bi afiri ne nchen. O se me de da bi me bo shortcuts e de kwa ko du Kumasi. Na se o ko fa yare ni wi a ade ko die nti a wo ye wa je se wo ba Kumasi no. E be de na o ba mo na yi. Kwese ye kasa ye di form my beat mi sori e fa niema e de gu kam e ko sehwi e ko ko didwa go e sa de
e be dru yi a no ma fa kwan foforo wasa be fa another car
no mo de Sam pa me bi sa se e ye ba yie anase adufudi pe e na ye nipa anase bi nyansa na ni nipa tiri ma
ekom de no
sam enti unkwa na kom de o sam ye nim nkrofo ekom de wo kom
ya mra na so
enti ya make nyina na se Ghana fo ya besre mo yare no ene wuti information minister o se e wo ho enti Ghana fo ye ntena fie sam ye ntena fie manosi
ye ntena fie Mr. Agent your last
me kakra me kan se omo ya store we ban ana egbi me no saa ya quantum points ko akra to Kumasi to Accra no ese bambo ne bibo babia ye fanse bushway bisa car no bedru wa ni kwan so ma ne guram kura se ebia wo konongo se me konkoko
ye please for omo nurse one because omo major roads no nko a omo ni
Connect
no on say connect no ye wo road bi wo a obefa so a o ye danger so be pie major road e ho na ese omo bobi gina na ka bia baba bia so o ye den so o trotro bia so sign
okay
anya sa dia de biombe o kasa me fin kokko o me no anante a no afa taxi obedru beria no wasi no asanante obi den obedru so but say e wo enwura kwan bi kwantipo o kwa baba ya police wo gina check
o sheda ko dodge
we
say mo noje
we say mo so baby sa no mo gina car ni dru ho a no wasan no o mu nyina no wasan o mu say me wa ha me ko he ya no
okay
mo nyina nya sa de a
Ghana your minister say yanka say ebi wa ha ye wo 636 cases emu 10 afrim enti misraw ebi nru bron no so a enka say ebi ni ha we ene ensem a ye de abrew ene ye beda wase wa wo hwe ye e wo fiefie mu omambo ame ema dwumade eba so ben eye Piero AJ Hipsy ena a producer edema yen okọ engine room wa ye wo Augustina ena Loretta omonso ena wo MCR ena VTR amoye adwuma kama Kobi Frank ononso na chinchim yen cameras no ede ema yen mamemfa enchie ema my wife abena papa bi nyame ehira se otai machi ene me mane nyina Nana Junior Kwadwo ena kwabena mo nyina mo hwe me nyankopon enhira mo medin ede Samuel kwabena dako nyame adom ochena ebesan hia
No, Makwaba at the Backcolic Medicals Limited. You come say airport roundabout, Kwanya Kobo Kromo, Ultra Police Junction and Hwanero. Colic Medicals, a year, and as a hospital, a woman say, Clodiemu. I would see a national say at the fire and Sasso, Abwa, and Kofolo do I war how Nipebium can in Yarawa diseases. Ye share your repeat say arthritis and no pemoni and casim sasabrosis yadi ubia and some abu. I was a shady pew, there was a dislocation of any of the bones or joints. What the bakalika, wow, amato. Make us say what hypertension and now when you're diabetes and now when you're kidney problem or nice arthritis. But modern brand now only ever 20 years. Now you will immerse some quite a year, Juma. And yet, no one so you will infidel about law on one. And they check the Pedriano, your laboratory sector, and they share the Pedriano, the Moja Muya, dear air cost and Sunday a true account. Sebi, Aposia will fear your common school, Aposia, dear, if you move with tech, if you move with China, and I can't one woman. Ye was it, the part would do be of a buy and channel, and rather fire and sasso, Eddie Apoto, Amawon. Eti, Unia will hear me. Open baby aqua, open Resabia be aqua. To turn a more Colic Medicals Limited, you will Kumasi Airport runabout. Kwana Kobu Kuna say I'm to Aqua National. With my friend telephone numbers now, more affiliation. Nasa and Webby and now how be a show swap. To Tommy Cabra, never ever fire so up wow, Ama Honto Apa, any of us for any number for you now. So
Colic Medical Limited. Physiotherapy units and your children. Uba Yasuya, your Yadian Bubrayesa, a high massaging unit, your machine, a yɛde biamia obi a n'akyi dompe ne nkasa mu anaasɛ n'apɔ so ne joint area ɛno saa da nkyɛn a yɛwɔ UV light machine a yɛde atu nipa no so a sɛ mpo no ebi a na ne ntin ne blood vessels no baabi asisi emu akorɔto a ɛwɔ mo ntin no ɛma emogya no etumi edi afusane sɛ woba yɛ so a yɛwɔ yadeɛ ahodoɔ bebree a yɛsa ɛnyɛ nnuro nko a yɛde ma wo yɛsa wɔ machines a yɛde edi nipadua no ho dwuma